Welcome to Chakwa International. I am Nilamata Jana speaking. This is related to banking terminology and abbreviation for SBI PO, IBPS PO, SBI Clerk, IBPS Clerk, CMAT, Civil Service Preliminary, CSAT, RBI and NABARD. Here audio is completely different from the video. Audio is completely different from the video. Financial system is a set of all financial institutions which facilitate financial transaction in financial market. What are the components? Financial market, financial institutions, financial instruments, financial services, regulatory authority. Financial market is a place or mechanism which facilitates the transfer of resources from one entity to another. Type of financial market, money market and capital market. Financial institutions, they are intermediaries which facilitate smooth functioning of financial system, making investor and borrowers meet. Financial instrument, they claim against a person of an institution for payment at future date of sum of money or a periodic payment in the form of interest or dividend. Financial services, it is a product or services offered by financial industries to customers. Regulatory authority, Ministry of Finance, RBI, SEBI, Insurance Regulatory Authority, IRDA. Financial market involves large volume of transactions. There are various segments like stock market, forex market, fund market. Market is highly volatile. Since market is highly volatile, the scope of speculation is more. Market dominated by intermediaries. Indian finance market is well integrated, connected to world market. Function of financial market is facilitate price discovery and for various instruments of companies or the financial institution. It helps in the company to know the value of asset, facilitate the creation and allocation of credit to provide the liquidity for the asset. The organized finance market consists of capital market, money market, forex market, derivative market. Capital market refers to the institutional arrangement for facilitating the borrowing and lending of long-term funds more than 1 year. And what is the importance of capital market? It helps in productive use of the country's saving, provide incentive for saving, facilitates capital formation, increase the production of productivity, also helps in stabilize the value of securities. Function of finance capital market, credit function, liquidity function, transfer function. The primary market is a place where the securities which are issued to public for the first time. Companies raise capital to issue instruments through the primary market. New companies or existing companies raise capital through the primary market. Function of primary market, origin primary market facilitates all active for origination share. It provides the guarantee for issue to underwriting. It facilitates distribution of shares to geographical dispersed investors. Method issue in private market, right issue, bonus share, private placement. Secondary market, the market for secondary sale of securities such as shares quoted in the stock exchange market. They provide a continuous regular market for buying and selling. It is also called a stock market. The function of secondary market, liquidity of securities. A security can be converted into cashability, marketability of securities, safety of funds belong to investor, provide long-term funds, flow of funds to profitable projects. Money market, the market for dealing the financial asset securities which have a maturity period up to 1 year, and it is market for short-term funds. Importance, it helps in development of trade and industry, helps it support the development of capital market, enables smooth function of commercial banks, effective function of a central bank, formation of suitable monetary policy, non-inflationary source of finance to government. Money market instrument, call money market, and it is maximum up to 1 day to 14 days. Then commercial bill, then treasury bill, then commercial paper, then certificate of deposit. Then financial intermediaries. A financial intermediary is basically a term lending institutions. It is an establishment that focuses on dealing the financial transactions such as investment, loans, and deposit. Function of financial institutions: facilitate exchange of goods and services, management of liquidities, monitor investment project. Type of financial institution: banking institution, non-banking institution. Banking institution: commercial bank, scheduled bank, which are registered with our Reserve Bank of India. Then public sector bank, private sector bank, foreign bank, then non-scheduled bank. RRB, regional rural bank, are set up mainly with a view to develop rural economy by providing credit facilities for the purpose of development of agriculture, trade, commerce, industry, other product activity in rural areas. Then cooperative bank, a registered cooperative society in 1912, giving credit facilities to small farmers or small scale industries. Unorganized sector, that is indigenous bank and money lenders. Non-banking institution, these are institutions which do not have the full license or not supervised by the national or international banking regulatory agency. They facilitate bank-related financial services such as investment, risk pooling, and market brokering. The feature non-banking, it is registered with RBI. They are subject to fulfill requirement of RBI. RBI can cancel the registration or non-compliance. Cheat funds are exempted from the rule. RBI does not permit the use of name of RBI in the advertisement. Role of non-banking finance is it promotes savings. They may be cut into two groups: organized financial institutions and unorganized financial institutions. Some company help in the finance, long-term finance, IDBI, IFCI, State Financial Corporation, and Exim Bank, NABARD, like this. The mutual funds. Mutual fund, the function of the mutual fund is the common pool of money in which the investor placed for their contribution. This money is to be invested according to the objective of the fund. Ownership of the fund is joint or mutual among the investors, and ownership through the holding of unit respectively. Function: diversification, investor choice, preference of management, investor goals. The types of funds, mutual funds are: structure, open-ended fund and closed-ended fund. Then investment objective: growth fund, income fund, balance fund, money market funds. Then special schemes, industry specific scheme, index schemes, sectoral fund. Open-ended fund is one that is available for the subscription throughout the year. Closed-ended funds are stipulated maturity period, which generally ranges from 3 to 15 years. The commercial banks, role of commercial bank: mobilizing the savings for capital formation, financing industry, financing the trade, financing the agriculture, financing consumer activity, financing employment generating activities. The function of primary function: The accept and deposit, lending of funds, loans, creation of credit. And remittance of funds. Secondary function, agency service. The banks also perform certain agency function for on behalf of the customer. The agency services are immense value to the people at large. The collection payment of credit history, purchase and sale of securities, collection dividend of shares, acts as correspondent. RBI. The RBI was originally shareholder bank with a capital of 5 crores divided into 5 lakh fully paid up shares of 100 each. After independence, RBI was nationalized, was acquired the central government in 1949, 1st January. Management of it consists of 20 members consist of following. On the function of RBI, the monopoly note issue, banker to the government, advice to the government, control of credit, custody of foreign exchange of bankers bank. And lender of last resort, bank settlement and clearance, information and research. Then financial services, asset-based services, factoring, leasing, venture capital, hire purchase, mutual fund, exchange traded fund, bill discounting and consumer finance, and housing finance, fee-based fund, merchant banking, credit rating, stock broking, letter of credit, mergers and acquisitions. Factoring is a continuing arrangement between a financial institution and a business concern which settle the goods and services to trade customers, whereby the factor purchases the client's accounts, receive and give the payment to the client. A factor is the financial intermediary. They buy the invoices of manufacturer or bank traders at a discount. They take responsibility for collection of payments. Leasing is a contractual agreement between the two parties where one party allows the others to use his property for certain periods of time in exchange for a periodic fee. With this, the presentation is complete. If you like, subscribe, put the bell icon. Thank you.